Introducing the 2024 Jeep Gladiator, the ultimate combination of rugged capability and modern innovation, presented by Chrysler Jeep Fiat. Let's dive into its remarkable features. First off, the design. The 2024 Gladiator retains its iconic Jeep styling with a bold front grille, aggressive stance, and rugged lines that speak to its off-road capabilities. It's a head-turner on the road and a beast off it. Speaking of off-road prowess, the Gladiator is built to conquer any terrain. With its legendary 4x4 capability, solid axles, and ample ground clearance, this truck can take you places others can only dream of. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin loaded with cutting-edge technology. The available Uconnect infotainment system keeps you connected with features like navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system, all easily accessible through the intuitive touchscreen display. But the Gladiator isn't just about fun and adventure. It's also a practical workhorse. With its durable cargo bed, available spray and bed liner, and versatile trail rail cargo management system, you can haul your gear with confidence, whether it's for work or play. Safety is paramount, and the 2024 Gladiator is equipped with an array of advanced safety features to give you peace of mind on and off the road. From adaptive cruise control to blind spot monitoring and forward collision warning, this truck has your back no matter where your journey takes you. So whether you're hitting the trails, tackling tough jobs, or simply cruising around town, the 2024 Jeep Gladiator is ready for whatever you throw at it. Schedule a test drive today at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.